Okay, so hi everyone, this is Chaitanya, and today we will talk about what is partition in Hive. So let's start with partition now. Partition is a logical division of data. Suppose you have a state column and you are performing a partition on that particular column. Okay, so next point, that is partition should be based on most common query. Suppose someone in the team tells you that you have to perform a partition on this table. Okay, so you have to find out first that on which column should I go for partition. Okay, so first thing to remember that uh, you have to find out a common query which is held you are firing that particular query about 10,000 times in a day. Okay, suppose it is with related to the state column. Suppose it is like select star from customers where state equals to Maharashtra. Okay, so here this query is been fired multiple times in a day. So the common thing here is that the state column, so you have to perform or do partition on that particular state column so that you can divide or make partition of that particular data, whatever the data is present in that particular state column. Okay, so coming with next point, that is use partition intelligently for the most common queries. Okay, like I said, as according to the common queries you have to perform partition on that particular column only. Okay, coming to the next point, partition is done on a column which has less cardinality. Okay, so I will tell you that you have to do partition on a particular column which has less cardinality. Less cardinality means was the column should have less number of distinct values. Okay, okay, let's continue the journey. So there are two types of partition in Hive, that is static partition and dynamic partition. So when should you go for static partition and dynamic partition? If you are well known about your data, then you should go for static partition, and you will be the only who will tell system that framework to do these type of things. Then obviously the system will be fast, and the partition or optimization we will be getting here. But if you are not well known about your data, then that time you should go for dynamic partition, and framework will help you to do whatever the things you have to do. Okay, he will find out the partitions and he will just do the partition on that particular column. So numbers of partition will be depend on we are doing what we are doing a partition on, suppose state column. So a number of partition will be depend upon the number of distinct values in that particular column. Suppose we have a state column, as we consider India as our state column, as a country, and we will have 29 states here, so we will have 29 partitions here. Okay, distinct 29 partition. And as a SDFS side, there will be 29 different directories will be created as a partitions. Okay, so each partition is a directory or folder, what we call as. Okay, and the thing here is, the main important thing here is that we will have 29 partitions, and this partition will vary in their size, because every partition, suppose it is of Maharashtra, so every Maharashtra or suppose it's Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, so both state will not contain same size of data or same size of orders or whatever the data is all about. Okay, so the size of that particular partition will be vary. Okay, so this was all about partition.